Hello guys, today I will talk about gold, about the downside scenario, about the potential new short opportunity as the UK, the United Kingdom reported higher inflation again earlier, and later today we'll have the Canadian inflation data, which could bring high volatility and sharp movements as well. So the fundamentals will drive the price, and higher inflation could force the price of gold to drop only because the banks, the central banks, will continue to hike rates in the next monetary policy meetings. Okay, if also Canada will report higher inflation, and as you already know. The US reported higher inflation in September, UK reported higher inflation earlier today, so let's take a look on gold. But first of all, here is the disclaimer. You can send an email to support if you have questions, and if you want to join us for £40 per month, you can access the link posted right below this video. Also, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can follow us on Instagram. Thank you guys. So let's take a look first of all here on the economic calendar. So consumer price index, United Kingdom consumer price index, 10.1% growth versus only 10.0%. So higher inflation, core CPI 6.5% versus 6.4 expected, 6.3 here, 9.9 in the previous reporting period here for the CPI. So higher inflation reported by the United Kingdom, and later today the consumer price index, Canadian consumer price index, 0.1% drop actually, versus 0.3 in the previous reporting period. Also core CPI. So the economic data could bring volatility. Let's take a look here. So a triangle in the short term here, 1642. 1642 as key support. Also the medium line, right now the price challenges the medium line again, and breakdown here, because maybe I've talked about potential sideways movement as retest and the potential upside movement, but of course if the price it would have stayed above the former lows, above this minor uptrend line, above the medium line, and the potential value breakout here, it could have signaled the potential rebound. But right now, higher inflation reported by UK, and maybe let's see, maybe higher inflation reported by Canada could force the price of gold to slip lower. As I've said, higher inflation is not good for the economy, but the central banks will continue to hike rates. So this is the reason why maybe gold could drop deeper. So this is my opinion. As you already know from my previous analysis and webinars, I've talked about potential value breakout here below the medium line before a downside continuation. So I'm waiting for confirmation here. This breakdown could still be invalidated, like this one here. So right now I'll wait for the price to validate its breakdown before I will maybe take action, before I will try to look for a high probability selling setup here. Okay, as long as it stays below the downtrend line, this could be a distribution pattern, new lower low, value breakdown here could signal potential downside movement. Thank you guys. Don't forget about the risk disclaimer, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Bye bye.